Hello everyone, our lesson objective for today is to be able to find the amount after percentage increase or decrease. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to find what is the amount after a percentage is increase and decrease. Okay, let's take a look at this first example. We have a camera here that worth £210. What is the price after a 10% off? Now, we first must understand what does 10% off means. Now, 10% off simply means the price of the camera has been reduced by 10%. So, we are going to pay something that is lesser than £210. Now, there are two methods for us to work this out. Let's look at method 1 first. Okay. Method 1 is we find out what 10% of £210 first. Now, we all know how to calculate what 10% is. All we need to do is just take 210 divided by 10. And we would have 21. Okay, so 10% of 210 is 21. So, all we need to do now is take £210, reduce it by £21 because that's how much has been reduced. So that would give us £189. Okay, let's take a look at method 2 now. Alright, one thing that you must understand is whatever the original amount is, it represents 100%. So in this case, our 100% here represent £210 because that is what the original price of the camera. But then we don't need to pay 100%. We need to only pay after a reduction of 10%. So we reduce 10%. After reducing 10%, we have a remainder of 90%. Now, we do not need to pay 100%. All we need to pay is just 90% of £210. Now, we all know how to calculate what is a percentage of an amount. So, find what 90% of 210 first. So, 90% simply means that 90 over 100. Of simply means times by £210. And that would give us, use your calculator, take 90 divided by 100 times by 210. So, you would have £189. Whichever method you use, you will end up getting the same answer. Now, it's really up to you to choose method 1 or method 2 to work out your answers. Okay, let's take a look at example 2. Work out the new price. So the price of the phone here is £280. A seller marked up 40% from the original price. Now we must understand what markup means. Markup means the price has been increased. So in this question, it has increased by 40%. Now let's use method 1 to solve this first. Okay, in method 1, we first need to find out as a step 1, what is the 40% of £280 first. So 40% means is 40 over 100. Off means is times £280. So use your calculator, take 40 divided by 100 times 280. You would have £112. Now, a seller has marked up, has increased £112 from the original price 280. Which means, what is the new price now after it has been increased? So your step 2 is to find out your new price. So the new price is now 280 plus 112. And that would give us £392. So we now need to pay, if at all we are buying the phone, we now need to pay £392. Let's now use method 2 to solve this. Okay, now remember, our 100% represents the original price. So in this case, 100% here now represents £280, right? But then we need to pay an increased price of 40%. So what is the percentage that we need to actually pay? We need to pay an increase of 40%, and that would be 100 plus 40 is 140%. So we now don't pay 100%, but we pay more. We are paying for 140%. So what is 140% of 280? So 140% means 140 over 100 times 280. So use your calculator, take 140 divided by 100 times 280, and you would get £392. That's it. So here is your task for today. There are two tasks, task 1 and task 2. Please complete both the tasks, and when you have completed, please check the answers, mark them, and submit on Google Classroom. So good luck and have fun.